Sweet corn grinder machine peels off cones and grinds it at same time. Hydraulic cement block making machine can make solid bricks. Self-propelled baggage belt loader makes easier loading. Roadside ditches are cleared with V-shaped bucket and waste are easily transported. Hydraulic powered pruning machine can cut bushes or vines that are not required to grow. Boom sprayer can spray pesticides in 1 acre in 5 minutes only. Hand push thermoplastic road marking machine can mark traffic signs. Leakage of PVC can be stopped by inserting a screw, cut it and mount hot PVC piece on it. Automatic tire changing machine makes mechanics work easier. Rice transplanter machine can help reducing labor cost and speed up planting process. An ink blob inserted in glassware for a uniform design. In 1963, Amphicar was designed that can drive on land and water. Bricks are uniformly loaded onto a tray to make brick road. A hand-operated sharp cutter can cut thick wires. Handheld laser welding machine can join two metallic bodies so quickly. This machine is sowing sweet potato by adding soil layer. Cushion wrapping machine compress it for easier packaging. A sliding shed for house roof is easy to operate. It's made by fiberglass. A motor-operated jaw crusher easily crushes hard rocks. Dry bushes are being shredded with tractor-operated machine. Crops residue are being gathered with horse-operated mechanism. Mini tractor-operated machine is capable to make low-tunnel polyhouse for vegetable farming. Flexible sledgehammer are used to reduce the shock on your hands and provides a better force. An excavator V-shaped ditching bucket smooths soil edges. Rotary drum cutter attachments can be used for rock excavation and demolition. Automatic container filling machine fills liquid at same time with same quantity. Robotic arms coming from different directions forming a metallic spring structure. Hydraulic powered forging press machine generates extreme pressure to forge metal. This is how plywoods are made with wood logs. Two spider mower grass cutting gadget makes work easier. A detachable multi-tool plier useful for indoor activities such as DIY and daily maintenance. Hydraulic powered sharp cutter can cut wood log into pieces. Waste shredders are machines utilized in recycling and waste processing applications. An irrigation ditch is smoothed out with V-shaped bucket attachment. Sugarcane harvesters are used for cutting sugarcane, dethrashing and bundle making. A rusted nut bolt that is unable to open, cut it from two sides and it comes out easily. You can easily repair a section of PVC pipe by using a coupler band. Tractor-operated soil digging machine makes perfect space for installation underground pipeline. Drill-operated metal hole saw machine can make holes at hard metals. A cement pole is submerged with a hydraulic-powered hammer. An excavator machine cuts large trees that can be rapidly gathered and cut into pieces. It's the art of pruning young and mature trees with safety. Engine-operated mini toy train designed for children. An automatic walking tractor mini harvester can be used for wheat, rice and beans cutting. Powered paragliding is possible when pilot wears a backpack motor which creates enough thrust to take off. Bore well drilling are used to drill oil well and natural gas extraction. Hydraulic powered metal punching machine can punch metal sheet to a desired shape. For weaving pattern on clothes, manually powered loom is used that uses no electricity.